In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Google Sheets, and we'll get it all done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a personal project or handling business data in Google Sheets, sorting your data by date can bring clarity and enhance efficiency. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need an active Google Sheet to work with. Go ahead and open your Google Sheets. If you're starting from scratch, you might need to create a new spreadsheet. For those of you with existing data, make sure it's loaded and ready to go. Once you've got your sheet open, the next step is to select the range of cells you want to sort. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over all the cells that are relevant to your task. If your data spans multiple columns and rows, make sure to cover everything you need. This will ensure that your sort operation includes all necessary information and maintains the integrity of your dataset. Now that you've selected your range, look towards the top of your Google Sheets window and find the menu option labeled Data. Clicking on this will give you a drop-down menu of different data-related options. In this context, we're interested in the Sort Range option, so go ahead and click on it. You'll now see a menu pop up on your screen displaying different sorting options. For more control over how your data gets sorted, click on Advanced Range Sorting Options. This gives you a more detailed interface to work with, perfect for when you're handling larger datasets or more complex sorting needs. If your data contains headers, those rows at the very top that define what each column's data represents, make sure to check the box that says Data has header row. This is crucial because it tells Google Sheets to treat your first row as labels rather than part of the data itself. This way, your headers stay in place while the rest of the data gets sorted. Next, you'll see a section labeled Sort By. Click on this to select Date as your sorting criteria. This tells Google Sheets that you want to arrange the data based on the dates you've entered. And now, the decision you'll need to make is whether you want these dates sorted in ascending order, from the earliest to the latest, or in descending order, from the latest to the earliest. You can do this by choosing A to Z for ascending or Z to A for descending. Make sure to select the option that best suits your needs. Finally, with all your options set, click on the Sort button. With that, Google Sheets will rearrange your data according to the specified order, giving you a neat, date-ordered list. And there you have it. You've just sorted data by date in Google Sheets in record time. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.